Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hello to all my subscribers and to all the viewers. So guys, I'm holding a short skirt. I call it a short skirt because it has a short inside and it looks like a skirt outside. So guys, I want to make this as a denim bag. So come and join me guys on how I make a denim bag out of this short skirt. I want to show you all the materials that I'm gonna use. So guys, I'll be using this short skirt for a denim bag, and I will show you how to make it. So I will just explain to you a little bit. I will not remove this part, the outside part like skirt, but I will remove only this one, the face of the short outside. I want to show you how it looks like. It looks like this, but I will just remove this one, but this will still there. I will not touch this one, only this part, the front of the short inside. So I also have here this thread, but I'm gonna use the black thread for this denim instead of this blue or this one. I will use this one, the black, and I will be using also a scissor and a huge needle. I'll be using a huge needle for this denim because it's a little bit hard to sew. I'm gonna use my hand sewing. So guys, let's get started. So guys, I'll just explain to you that I have here a two skirt short. I'm not gonna use this all for two bags, only one bag that I'm gonna use today, but this one will be the handle, the bag handle. I'm gonna take this one, this waistline here, all over here, to make us a bag handle for this denim bag. So guys, I'll be starting now. First, I'll be removing this inner short. It's like this, only this part that I'm gonna remove here. So guys, I'm sorry for your hearing the crackling of the chicken because I'm at the zoo. I'm just kidding. So this is it guys. I already removed the short part in here. So now I'll be starting this one. Wait, I will show you where to cut. It looks like this, and I'm gonna cut this part, this one here. I'm gonna cut this one. I'm not gonna use like any measurements. I just calculate on my brain which to cut, like this one guys, the pointed one here. So I'll be sewing it here like this. I'll be sewing it like this, straight line. Then after sewing it, I'll remove this one, this outside part. Okay, this pointed part, I mean this one, this is the pointed part. So I'll be removing this one after I sew. I'll sew it straight. So remember guys, I'm using huge needle because it's hard, it's quite thick, so it's be easy to